Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people have been asking me what kind of guns am I using, so I'm going to be showing you the guns that I use. I have other guns, but these are the main ones that I really like, so let me show them to you. Alright guys, let's start off with the base gun. This is the gun I use for base most of the time. Yeah, it's this gun is made in Italy. It's also made by the company called Walcom. It's a Genesi Carbonio 360. The 360 means, guys, it only weighs 360 grams. That's what 360 means. It's made of carbon fiber with an aluminum interior. So this is a gun I use, guys, for base mostly. I was using, or I have a SATA Jet 5000, but this gun, guys, really surpassed the quality of the SATA. So this is what I'm using as base for right now. I am going to be doing some reviews and demonstrations of other guns that are coming up, but for right now, this is what I'm using, guys. Alright, let me go with the clear gun. The clear gun is the one with the white ring on it, and it says right there, actually, clear. But any gun, guys, you can use for clear, for base, it doesn't really matter. You've seen me use this gun for clear also, and it performs amazing. But this is a clear gun, guys. Right here. And these guns are amazing, guys. If you've never tried them, try them on. It's once you go with these, you're not gonna want to go back to any other gun. They spray, the atomization is perfect. So this is a clear gun. Okay, when you buy the guns, they come with the pots. Okay. They come with some rebuild kits that I have never used, but it's good to have. And they also come with some mineral oil to lubricate the gun. That's usually what it comes with the kit. If you buy the kit, that's what it comes with. Also a regulator. Let me show you the air regulator. Alright, this is the air regulator that it comes with. It shows you in bar, and it also shows you in PSI. It's also made by the same company, Walcom, and it's also carbon fiber. It's a real good air regulator. Once you adjust it, all you do is take off the actual digital gauge right here, and you'll end up with this on the gun. So it don't be that bulky or anything. So this is real good. I'm using high flow fittings right now, which I do recommend for the spray gun, guys. Use high flow fittings and lines also. Okay, another question I've been asked is, how do I adjust the gun? Well, the way I adjust this gun, okay, is I pull the trigger and set this until I feel that it's starting to close. So it's going to be the full trigger, okay? Now the fan, what I do, I open it up all the way, okay? I open it up all the way, and then I turn it 2 turns. Actually 1 1.5. 1.5. That's what I do for this one, and I can get close enough to the panel to where it's not gonna run. It's not gonna make me any runs or anything, and the optimization, like I said, is perfect. So that's the way I set up this gun. Now, the clear gun, I do the same thing. I pull the trigger all the way until I feel it that it's gonna hit. It hits, so the trigger is gonna be fully open. Also for the fluid, I open it up all the way, right there. Then I close it. This one has numbers, so I close it 1 turn and a half. Okay, that's the way I set up the clear gun also, and it works perfectly. You're not gonna have runs. You're not gonna have any orange peel. The orange peel that it's gonna be there, it's gonna be like very, very minimal. So that's the way I set up the clear gun also. Okay guys, let me continue. Alright guys, so this is gonna be it for this video. Like I mentioned, just a little quick video as to the guns I use and the way I set them up. I'll be doing some other videos, guys, about some other guns that are coming up, hopefully soon. So just keep an eye for those. And guys, hit the link below. Give it a thumbs up. Hit the little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And hit the link below, guys. All right. Thank you, guys, and God bless.